So today I'll be going through hive 1, and I can see now they've ate through the top of that green box, that one corner. So I got to replace that box at the end of the month. I like to just sit here, and I got a chair here. Just watch the hive. Looking for activity. Watching the bees. Now they're bringing in pollen. Hive 2 is just busy. It's a nice day, so they're all flying. So a lot of bees around here. I gotta replace the jar of sugar water in hive 1 here. They're going full stream here. I'm gonna leave 3 supers on for winter. The top box is empty because it's got the feeder in it. But yeah. Maybe you get an idea. They're just buzzing around the air. They're coming and going. They're going as fast as they're coming. Just like a non-stop highway with no lights. You must be able to see it. Actually, I got to change that box out next week. So I'll bring that other box from home. And that's got to go. It was well used and old, and I figured I'd get a summer out of it. But yeah, it's no longer of any value. I really got to replace all 3 boxes for next year because they're all old. One over on hive 2, 1 box, and 2 boxes on hive 3. So that's 3, 4. That's 7 boxes. They're pretty cheap though, so. I'll have to top up that feeder in hive 2. It's only got about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches tops of fluid in it. So add the bottle, jar of sugar water to hive 1, top up hive 2, and what I'm liking, what I'm seeing, the bees are out, they're flying, there's lots of them, all 3 boxes. I found 11 queen cells on hive 3 yesterday, so after this, the next video will be Monday when I go through hive 3 to see if any of the queen cells have hatched and mated, and there's eggs yet, or have they still not hatched yet. So won't know. Find out Monday. But it sure is, I don't know, you guys probably think, well, why want to sit beside bees, and you just watch, and you can learn so much. It's a real social environment, and it's not hard to tell. Bees are dedicated to the hive, and they all got one really goal in common, and that's the success of the hive. So it's neat to watch repel. There's a hornet over there, and about 10 bees just pounced on it. So, I mean, there, talk about protect your turf. I have noticed the last few times when I was there, and something different lands on anywhere near the entrance, and it's just pummeled immediately. And the threat's gone. Anyways, we're at the end of August here. It's a beautiful sunny day. Last 2 days have been cloudy. The bees are in the air today, so let's hope that they have some luck and some pollen and nectar. I see the thistles opened right up here, so not really sure what would they be bringing in this time of year, or where they be bringing it from. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Take care. Have a great fall. Keep your stick on the ice. Keep on keeping on.